Have you ever wished you could read a home's energy the way a real Vastu consultant does, but you didn't know where to begin? Now, most people who feel connected to Vastu, they rely on scattered videos and unverified advice. But without proper structure, real case studies and practical guidance, they never gain the clarity to even analyze a 2 or a 3 BHK home or even confidently suggest remedies. Now, that's why I created Start Your Vastu Consultancy Program, a 1-month live course with 2 classes per week designed for serious learners who want to understand Vastu properly and apply it professionally. Now, in this step-by-step, highly structured course, you will learn 5 elements that's a foundation for analyzing any space. Entrances, the good ones, bad ones, how to assess and correct prosperity pathways. Kitchen and toilet Vastu, the areas that most strongly affect health and harmony. Staircases, basements, and even more advanced concepts needed for duplexes, villas, and commercial layouts. Practical remedies, non-destructive, realistic corrections clients can implement immediately. And the best part, you'll practice on real floor plans, participate in live Q&A, and work through actual case studies so you build true consulting confidence. By the end of this 1-month program, you will confidently analyze apartments, villas, and homes. You will be able to read floor plans without supervision. And within a short time, you can start charging for basic Vastu consultations. Whether you're seeking side income, a future full-time consulting path, or deep personal mastery, this course prepares you for all 3. The course is taught using a blend of highly structured methodical teaching, intuitive, spiritually grounded insights, live floor plan breakdowns, slides, diagrams, and practical assignments. This isn't theoretical learning, it's real Vastu taught through real cases for students who truly want to grow. This program is perfect for men and women aged 25 all the way to 85, learners from the UAE, India, or anywhere where English and Hindi is of good understanding. Homemakers, wellness practitioners, interior designers, architects, working professionals, and spiritual seekers. Anyone wanting a purpose-driven skill that can become a consultation-based income stream. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity to learn Vastu properly, professionally, and with guidance, this is your moment. Seats are limited. Click below, submit your details, and join the upcoming Vastu Consultancy batch. Your journey starts now.